If you're looking to give your Zoom calls a professional touch, why not try blurring your background? Here's how you can do it. First, open the Zoom desktop app for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you haven't updated Zoom in a while, make sure to check for updates, as the option to blur your background might not be available in older versions. To do this, click on your profile photo or initial at the top right corner of the Zoom app, and then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open all of your Zoom preferences. Next, click on the Background and Effects tab, which you'll find in the left panel. On some versions of Zoom, this may be called Background and Filters instead. Once you're on the Background and Effects tab, click on the Virtual Backgrounds option. If you're not already on this tab in the right panel, click Virtual Backgrounds below your video preview to go there now. Finally, click on Blur. You'll see your background blur instantly in your camera preview, while your face remains clear and prominent. Now, you're all set to join your Zoom meeting with your blurred background. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and sharing the video. Thanks for watching.